Oh, I saw your question on your discussion board. This is probably more appropriate for the next discussion board since this comes from 4.3, and that's on next week's topic. But you want to find the magnitude and the direction of two forces, and so that's what I end up here. The magnitude and direction at the end. You got 110 pounds at south 59 degrees east. So south 59 degrees east, this would be south, this is east, where that's 59 degrees, then you got 110 pounds. And you have 90 pounds, this is 90 pounds at length, if you want, and north 65 east. So that would be this angle here. So now I go and I take this one and I make a right triangle out of it here. And this angle here would be 90 minus 59, which is 31, and this is 110. And I make a right triangle out of this guy, that's 90 and that's 65. I don't want to find, I call this x1 and y1 and x2, y1, 2. And I want to find these just using cosine and sine. Cosine 31 would be adjacent over hypotenuse, and that comes out to 94.288. And for y sub 1, sine of 31 be opposite over hypotenuse. This should be negative, for y1. I did add the negative, maybe I should have added earlier. And here, we do the same thing, find x2, y2, use cosine, sine. Then we want the sum of these, we want the resultant. So we add our x's, and I get 132.324. We add our y's, I get 24.914. And so here's our resulting, where the the x is 132.3. I round it, and this one's 24.9. And we want to find this angle theta in the hypotenuse. Find the angle. You don't have to use tangent theta. Is opposite over hypotenuse, and you got to take inverse tan. Use your calculator. It comes up 10.66 degrees roughly. Then use Pythagorean theorem. Two legs, and you find the magnitude, 134.62 pounds roughly. Hope that helps.